Did you hear that rumor about that one office slut being pregnant? After one guy she goes right to another.
Emifa. That rumor is about me. It is true there is nothing but lies at this office.
I'm sorry. But is it true?
It's none of your business. And I thought you were my friend. But one of them.
One of them? I am just saying what others told me.
Yeah, you're just like them, two-faced.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't even know it was you. If I knew it was about you, then I wouldn't have said anything.
It's okay. And by the way, I am pregnant. With twins.
Oh.
Yep, so talk to you later, bye.